What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 1 of Reseller Grind, where I go over what grinds my gears as a reseller. And without a doubt, number 1 is misunderstanding the USPS flat rate container. That is my number 1 grind as a reseller. I get this comment on the daily. USPS specifically states it is illegal, i.e. a federal offense, to modify any USPS provided box in any way, reducing the cubic size included. Call them national and they'll confirm. So I called them and they confirmed literally the exact opposite. So when I go to the USPS website, I'm going to include this link in the description below. It actually explains the proper use of a flat rate container. And it's only one page, and it'll take you about 3 minutes to read through it and truly understand what the post office's opinion is on the use of a flat rate container. In the second paragraph, it says, if an FRE or an FRB is presented at the post office at the time of mailing, and the customer has manipulated or reconstructed it, that means making it bigger or smaller or changing the folds, the container is accepted using weight and zone. I don't know about you, but accepted is legal. Accepted is the opposite of illegal. Accepted means totally fine. So you can modify the priority boxes however you like. However, understand, if you change a flat rate box, it's going to be shipped using weight and shape. That's why last night when I was talking to Josh, a Fit Shipper, he explained that if you trim the shoebox, the USPS provided shoebox, a few inches, you qualify one zone lower. And I think they purposely make that box that shape so it's in a different zone so they can charge you for that zone. So make sure you know what you're doing. If you don't understand these hacks, you're leaving money on the table as a reseller. Now let me just tell you, it only grinds my gears that resellers don't know this, because this is your job. This is your occupation. Your livelihood depends on your understanding of your business. So just take a second to really understand this. It doesn't grind my gears that much that post office workers don't understand this policy, because it's easy to misinterpret the word flat, right? Flat sounds like flat, right? That's the normal use of flat. However, flat in this case refers to the price, not the shape. So I get this question all the time. What if it's shaped like a football? If it's shaped like a football, that's perfectly fine. It says here, as long as the FRB or FRE can close within the normal folds, bulges are not a problem. FRE refers to the price, not the shape. I'm sorry, flat refers to the price, not the shape. That's straight from the post office's mouth, not me. So I get called out all the time on this, even though it's not me saying it. I'm just regurgitating what the USPS post office has on their website. And I even called the national hotline to confirm the exact opposite of the comment I get every single day, that it's illegal. Super annoying, but I just want to point it out, guys. Take a second to read what the post office says. Please screenshot this. So if you go to a post office that doesn't understand this, don't be a dick. Just say, hey, look, I do this for a living. This is your website. This is what it says on here. My package is well within the rules. I understand that you might be new here, but flat refers to the price, not the shape. Also, people ask, can I use tape? You can, within reason, right? And I think that that's just a common knowledge thing, that you can reinforce the seam. I like to use clear tape. That way they can see that the seam hasn't been altered. Now, there are people who don't use clear tape, and then they fold it differently so they get 1 or 2 more inches out of the parcel. I've seen that get rejected before. So just be careful. See if you can do it. And the example that they use in this is a skillet, which is a ridiculous example, but it's perfect for this example. Let's say the majority of the skillet fits into the flat rate box, but the handle sticks out. That does not qualify. That is not within the reason. But it does say here, which is very interesting, that there is no maximum thickness for an FRE. So there is no maximum thickness of the envelope. This is a flat rate envelope. It doesn't say there's a maximum thickness. So I wonder what really you could make this if you really stretched it out all the way. I bet you could get it to 10, 12 inches if you really stretched it out, especially the padded one that's plastic. It's a little bit stretchy. Makes me wonder. But if you look at the rules, not from me, from the post office, it says that there is no maximum thickness to a flat rate envelope. So experiment. I hope this helps out, guys. Please click the link below and read it for yourself and get an idea. And I'll see you on the next episode of Reseller Grind.